to this giant tree.
Ending tonight.
国人的旅游，大家。
新年快乐！ We are walking to this giant tree. We're not quite sure how far it is, and the girls spent a lot of time taking pictures at this last place.
Guys, let's go take a picture next to this wall. Oh, guys, look at this tree. Let's take a picture next to it.
The weather is perfect. I mean, this is unbelievable.
Mountain, make my own latte.
I think this is the highest elevation 7-Eleven.
Wow.
Right?
Take a pic.
Highest elevation. Okay, that's a video. Now we're gonna take a picture.
Going to find a wood, god wood, giant wood, Shenmu.
So there are a bunch of different species of cypress trees here.
Christmas nut. You know what I learned when I was 30? Grab the Christmas nut like I grabbed my husband nut.
In my early 20s, I thought I was living a great life, go with the flow, but it was very reactionary. Create who I am now in my 30s and make it happen. Grab life by my husband boss. Be proactive. Center yourself. Realign your energy. Grab life's boss.
Peaceful that is. Alishan video, we really enjoyed showing you around. It's such an amazing place. Like words and even the camera cannot do it justice.
Yeah, if you are in Taiwan, you have to come to visit.
Come check it out, especially if you get some weather like we had here.
Yeah.
It's just really amazing watching the sun shine through the forests and seeing these ancient trees. Like
Exactly.
unbelievable. So
Yeah.
put comment below, tell us
Like.
where you want to see in Taiwan. What do you want us to show you?
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Any recommendation?
yep.
Welcome to tell us. What do you think? I hope you enjoy. We are heading to Konggu.
Oh, we got Doritos today. We'll get the mountain driving out of the way first. And I'm grabbing Doritos. Did you get that on video?
We got some motion sickness going on here. So we pulled over.
We're in the middle of a road. I don't know how to do it.
Here is a Taiwanese bomb on wheels.
setting the fire. We are going to cook. He's so well prepared. Look at these things. He knows exactly what to use.
Yes. Yes.
We already finished setting the tent. Yeah, and there is a mattress. Does it look? Oh, it looks great. Camping tonight.
We're camping. We set up our tent, cooked dinner, showered, and now we're getting ready for bed. It's raining a little bit, but I think we're gonna be okay.
Going to show you some beautiful view later today. Tomorrow, maybe.
We had a great time in Alishan. The drive down to Kending was fun. No traffic. It was great. So we're looking forward to tomorrow. Good morning. Happy New Year, everybody. I think today is the first day of the new year. Is that right?
Yeah.
We'll give you a little quick tour of our campground here. All right, let me show you around. Okay. 好。
奶茶没有咖啡，
Yeah, 黑咖啡。
好吧？我自己用就好。那个这种咖啡嘛，它的 mark 比金矿更惊艳。
大声。
再往上面，它水有点浅。
好香，好香。So the first coffee in the year of the rabbit. Neighborhood is maybe where we're thinking about. Yeah. Yep. So we're thinking if we can, we might get one of these tonight.
Yeah. 踢足球。
Yeah.
他喜欢梅西。
梅西。
对。
梅西。
足球的。
哦，足球。OK。
还有那个。
还有。
它像巨石强森嘞。
风很大。
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 他讲了。我没有看过这么谈恋爱的夫妻耶，感情超好。这里叫做落山风，你说的是对的。
我们的影片，我们有 YouTube channel，
真的，
你想要来这里，那你要给他打折吗？
要啊 ，OK。
Okay, now we're asking about staying in a container tonight.
It's got everything you need.
Oh, wow.
拿出去晒，因为纯太阳好大，杀菌。对。
It's like your own little apartment, 房子。
对呀，小房间。
Yeah, 小房间。And oh, it's nice. Very nice.
Sunshine, sunshine.
新年快乐！
新年快乐! Oh, so good. We are sitting on the beach right now.
Literally sitting in the ocean.
Yeah, we are sitting in the ocean right now. So
Wherever you are, I hope you're celebrating the new year with friends, family, loved ones, having a great time.
beginning of 2023.
May the year of the rabbits be an auspicious one.
Like to give me a little tour of heaven?
Yeah,
Where shall we go first? Wow.
We are going to show you our favorite restaurant today. We are come to eat. It's our go-to restaurant. Every time we are come here, we always come here for the Thai restaurant. And it's vegetarian friendly. It's very good. Hi, cutie. Sorry for waiting.
Good morning. Our first night at the container place. Oh,
We
so
slept
good.
so good. We feel so good, so relaxed this morning.
Rejuvenating. Right?
Yeah,
You can see
yeah.
outside.
I mean, there were tents like lined up next to each other, and we didn't hear anybody. It was great. We're gonna cook some breakfast in our little kitchenette here, and then
Yeah.
pack up and.
We are finished our 3-day adventure.
We are on our way back to Taichung. We're around Kaohsiung right now at a rest stop. It's been an amazing 3 days, really. A little bit of traffic today. Driving makes us feel tired, but totally worth it.
Yeah,
Right.
it's very good to see nature, connecting with nature.
Very good to connect with nature.
Yeah.
And I always enjoy seeing the Taiwanese families out together, traveling this time of year, even though it makes traffic terrible. It's all right. What's that? This guy wants to say something. 新年快乐.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. This guy can't wait to watch our next video. He's excited. So you should watch our next video too. Remember, like, subscribe, all of that stuff. Okay.